NBIS stock is exploding again, but the big question investors are asking right now is this: are we heading to $280 next, or is this rally getting way too overheated? Because something huge is happening behind the scenes with Nebius, ticker symbol NBIS. We're seeing rising cloud prices, fresh speculation around Anthropic, massive AI infrastructure expansion, and Wall Street starting to pay very close attention. And trust me, if even half of these catalysts play out, this stock could get seriously wild. So in this video, we're breaking down exactly what's happening with NBIS, why traders are suddenly getting extremely bullish again, and whether a move toward $280 is actually realistic or pure hype. Let's get into it. NBIS has been one of the hottest AI-related stocks of 2026. The stock has already surged massively year to date, and despite recent pullbacks, momentum traders are jumping back in after fresh developments started making waves in the market. Now, here's where things get interesting. Recently, investors noticed reports suggesting Nebius may be increasing prices for some of its cloud computing services. According to discussions circulating online, on-demand cloud capacity prices could rise significantly, while preemptible capacity pricing may also see major increases. Why does that matter? Simple. When a company raises prices, especially in high-demand AI infrastructure, it often signals one thing: demand is stronger than supply. And right now, AI compute demand is absolutely insane. Companies are fighting for GPU access. Everyone wants compute. From startups to enterprise giants, AI demand continues exploding, and Nebius appears to be positioning itself right in the middle of that opportunity. But that's only part of the story. The bigger rumor fueling excitement: Anthropic. Yes, the AI company backed heavily by major tech giants. Investors are buzzing after comments tied to NVIDIA's ecosystem hinted that more compute providers may be coming online to support Anthropic's growing AI workloads. And guess who many investors think could become one of those capacity providers? Nebius. Now, very important here, this is still speculation. Nothing officially confirmed. But traders love to price in future possibilities before announcements happen. And when speculation mixes with momentum, things can move fast, especially in AI stocks. Here's why people think Nebius could actually be in the conversation. The company already has deep NVIDIA relationships. Nebius has positioned itself as an NVIDIA cloud partner and has been aggressively building AI infrastructure across the US and Europe. They've also talked about deploying next-generation AI systems, which could make them attractive for large-scale AI customers needing enormous compute power. And if there's one thing Anthropic needs, it's compute. Lots of it. Now let's zoom out for a second, because Nebius has been on an absolute expansion spree lately. The company has been rapidly scaling operations after major enterprise wins. Big partnerships, infrastructure expansion, strategic acquisitions, and growing exposure to the AI data center boom. That matters because the AI arms race is still in early innings. Every major tech company is pouring billions into AI. More AI models means more GPUs. More GPUs means more cloud demand. And more cloud demand could mean stronger revenue growth for companies like Nebius. Now, let's talk technicals, because this is where things get really interesting. NBIS recently cooled off after hitting fresh highs. Profit-taking kicked in. Some traders thought momentum was fading. But now the stock appears to be stabilizing again as bullish sentiment returns. Key resistance zones remain important. If bulls continue pushing momentum, many traders will be watching whether NBIS can reclaim previous highs and potentially move toward higher targets. And yes, that $280 number people are throwing around, it's aggressive. But in AI momentum markets, aggressive targets aren't impossible, especially when narratives get stronger. Remember, markets move on expectations, not just fundamentals. If investors suddenly believe Nebius becomes a major AI compute player for massive names, the valuation conversation changes quickly. But there's risk too, and we need to be realistic. This stock has already had a huge run, Volatility is extremely high. Rumors are still rumors until officially confirmed. And high-growth AI names can pull back brutally after sharp rallies. So if you're investing in NBIS, understanding risk management matters just as much as understanding opportunity. The biggest thing to watch next: any confirmation around major AI customers, updates on infrastructure growth, cloud pricing strength, and of course, anything connected to Anthropic or expanded NVIDIA partnerships. Because if a major announcement drops, NBIS could become one of the most talked about AI